Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about my June TBR. Since June is also my birthday month, I just turned 30 year this year. Yes, I know. So as a present to myself, I thought why not start a YouTube channel. So we're going to be talking about books, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. But since books are my favorite thing, we are going to start with books. So let's start. Here is my June TBR. I have my notes ready, I have my books ready. Let's go. So the first book I'm going to talk about is The Little Life, and this book. Now this book, why I've chosen this book for June is for that I want to read this book for the longest of the time, and I have it since I think last year, but just the sheer size of it is scaring me. I don't have once I start reading, I know I will finish it, but before that I'm a little bit scared to pick it up. So I thought, why not? June is the month that I will start this. I've not yet started it, but let's hope I will do. So this book is about four friends from, I think, their college to their middle life, especially I think focusing on one friend called Jude and his past traumas that he has faced in his life and how that affects him now or in his present life. So yeah, that is the first book. Book that I have is Circe. Now this is mythological fantasy, I may call it. It says that Circe is the daughter of Helios, the god of the the god of sun. So but she lacks the skills and she's not as beautiful, so she's banished from their kingdom. That is what I know. And then she meets a person, a mortal, and she falls in love. So it's a story about how far she'll go to save or risk everything. So that is Circe. Then the next one is the one that I have on my Kindle. I have a Kindle also. I've not purchased it yet, but I have a sample downloaded on it, and it's Little Fires Everywhere. I'm sure you must have heard of this book, and I've been wanting it to read since the longest of time again, like The Little Life. And I saw the trailer for the TV show, and it just intrigued me more to read the book, but read the book first. So now Little Fires Everywhere, this is set in Ohio. Yes, I believe it is set in Ohio, and it's about the clash of these two women, these two different opinionated women. So one is Elena, I think Elena Richardson, and she has lived all her life in that small town, and she rents her guest house or her house to people. So this mother and daughter comes, and how those two how their lives intertwine with each other, and how the clash between those two just starts that Little Fires. So that is the one. Next one is House of Salt and Sorrows. Actually the next two books, these are the last two books. So one is House of Salt and Sorrows, and the other one is Things in Jar. So these two books I actually got in a subscription box, the big book box. I don't know if you have heard of them or not. So I got them in that box. So this is actually a retelling. It's a retelling of 12 Dancing Princesses, which I have not read, and so I don't know much about it. All I know is that I think there are 12 princesses, and 4 of them dies tragically, like one by accident, one by an illness, and so there are 7 sisters left. So it focuses on one sister called Annalay, and she thinks that those deaths are not accidents, and the rest of the sisters go to these balls and everything, and she meets this mysterious stranger, who has secrets of her own, and it's a race to unravel what is happening in her family before any other sister dies. So that is House of Salt and Sorrows. I'm really excited to read this because I've not read fantasy in a long time. I've been reading fiction and contemporary and rom-coms, and I've just gotten out of fantasy, so I'm really excited to read it. Also Circe, actually I've tried to read Circe before. I read about 10 pages, but I just couldn't get into it, so I stopped. So that is why I was like, you know what, I'll finish this in June will be the month that I will finish this. So this is one. And the last one is Things in Jar, and I actually don't know anything about it. Yes, I'm sorry, I did not read the synopsis for this, but I know that it's set in the Victorian era London, like in 1800s it's set. Let's see. Yes, in 1863. So it follows a female detective who is involved in the kidnapping of this child, and that child is no ordinary child. Now, who is that child? What is that? That is all that in this book. So this is all I know. It's Victorian era, it's London, it's a female detective. I've heard quite good reviews about it. These are the 5 books on my TBR. I'm not one of those who read 10-15 books in a month. So I go between 4 to 6 books, so I've kept it to a minimum. Let's see if I'll be able to read all this, or if any new one adds on. So we'll see about that. And I'm thinking to do a May wrap-up video. I read about 4 books in May, so let me know if you're interested in watching them. And since I'm new, please like, share and subscribe, and please comment down below. Constructive criticism is very welcome, but please don't be mean. And yeah, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.